Hi everyone, today I want to talk about current energies, about eclipse season, about new moon and Virgo and partial solar eclipse. If you are new on my channel, my name is Maria and this is my tomato garden. I live nearby the forest. I moved out from town about 13 years ago to find inner balance, to be close with nature. And on my channel, I'm talking about self-development, about being present, about being here and now, about astrology, about meditation, sometimes about forest life and about gardening. So if you want to be with me sometimes, please subscribe my channel. And let's go. We are in the middle of eclipse season. It's very intense time of cleaning, of completion, of endings, and we are feeling new beginning under our skin. Last full moon with moon eclipse was really intense. I was then at a little festival, slow down gathering, and it was really crazy. We've got their sick dog. This was dog of owners of this place, and we all was trying to heal him, but he decided to run away in the middle of the night, and he didn't go back. So it was very meaningful for us. It's energy of endings, it's energy of letting go some things, letting go of some relations. Sometimes we don't understand others people's decision, others animals decision, but every one of us got this free will, and we should respect free will of the others. And sometimes we even don't understand ourselves. And in this eclipse season, it's time to know yourself better, to feel yourself better, to reconnect with your soul, reconnect with your body wisdom. And this eclipse season for me and for people I met, it's very intense. Sometimes it's almost like shadow work or dark night of the soul. You want to run into the wild. You want to break some rules. You want to break your cage and let yourself free. And now it's new moon in Virgo. So after this deep cleaning in full moon, it's time to really, really reconnect with your soul. And dark side of Virgo is about control, about pushing yourself too hard. So it's time to see in which areas you are too harsh for yourself, where you need to slow down, where you need to let go. And the Virgo is about energy of Mother Earth, about abundance, about nourish yourself. So it's time to nourish your body. In our northern hemisphere, it's in a few days autumn time, so days are shorter, nights are cooler, so it's time to nourish yourself in different way. Maybe some ginger tea or warm soup. We need to nourish our body, slow down a little bit, spend time with fire. And it's also time to nourish your soul, to hear your inner voice, to hear your body wisdom, because Virgo is about the body. Body wisdom is a very important thing. Your body tells you what you need. If you need rest, or if you need to eat something, or if you need to run out your stress. So connect with your body, connect with your intuition. And it's also time of deep heart intuition, soul intuition. In this eclipse season, you can have very wild dreams. So write down your dreams. Spend some time with meditation to check in what is inside of you, what you need to create. We've got eclipse season every 6 months, and in this full moon it was deep cleaning, and in this new moon with eclipse it's time to think about next 6 months. What is your direction? What you need to do, who you want to become. And Virgo remind us that we need good foundation. We need to be with yourself. Be kind for yourself. Listen to your body, nourish your body and soul, and then when your body is strong, when you feel good with yourself, when you feel energy, you can fulfill your dream, you can move forward. And don't push yourself with your new direction. It's time to slow down and go with the flow. It's very important to act with your own timing. Listen what you need every day, because it's only now, it's only here and now, and every day is the best day to take care of yourself, to be kind for yourself. And when you are nourished, you can rise, you can run, you can be wild, truly yourself. So I wish you great time. And I want to put one card for this time. Crystal angels for today. Oh, it's very beautiful picture. I hope you will see it. Watermelon tourmaline, stress reduction. It's all we need. Distress your mind, body, and schedule as you need to rest, recharge, and revive. So it's your mission for this new moon, for this eclipse season, stress reduction, when you reduce your stress, when you nourish your body, when you nourish your soul. It's time for you for abundance, for being happy in your body, for being happy in this world, for being true you in this world. I wish you great time and I hope to see you soon.